Uses of supervised learning. Below are some main reasons which describe the importance of unsupervised learnings. Unsupervised learning is helpful for finding useful insights from the data. Unsupervised learning is much similar as the human learns to think by their own experiences, which makes it closer to real AI. Unsupervised learning works on unlabeled and uncategorized outputs such as so to solve such cases we need unsupervised learnings. How it works of unsupervised learnings. Working of unsupervised learning can be understood by below diagram. Input of raw data and unlabeled data which is gone through interpretations and which given to the algorithm and the processing made, and the output is delivered as cats and dogs separately. Here we have taken unlabeled input data, which means it is not categorized and corresponding outputs are also not given. Now this unlabeled input data is fed to the machine learning model in order to train it. Firstly, it will interpret the raw data to find hidden patterns of the data, then will apply suitable algorithms such as k-means clustering, decision tree, etc. Once it applies the suitable algorithm, the algorithm divides the data objects into groups according to the similarities differences between the objects. The unsupervised learning algorithm can be further categorized into two types of the problem. Unsupervised learning can be categorized into clustering, association. So clustering is a method of grouping the objects into clusters such that objects with most similarities remains into a group and has less or no similarities with the objects of another group. Cluster analysis finds the commonalities between the data objects and categorizes them as per the presence and absence of those commonalities. Association. An association rule is an unsupervised learning method which is used for finding the relationship between variables in large database. It determines the set of items that occurs together in data set. Association rule makes marketing strategies more effective, such as people who buy X item are also tend to purchase Y item. A typical example of association rule is market-based basket analysis. Unsupervised learning algorithms. Some popular unsupervised learning algorithms: k-means clustering, KNN, hierarchical clustering, anomaly detection, neutral networks, principal component analysis, independent component analysis, a priori algorithm, singular value decomposition. Advantages of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is used for more complex tasks as compared to supervised learning because in supervised learning we don't have labeled input data. Unsupervised learning is preferable as it is easy to get unlabeled data in comparison to labeled data. Disadvantages of unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is intrinsically more difficult than supervised learning as it does not have corresponding output. The result of the unsupervised learning algorithm might be less accurate as input data. It is not labeled and algorithms do not know the exact output in advance. Differences between supervised and unsupervised learnings. Supervised and unsupervised learnings are two techniques of machine learning, but both the techniques are used in different scenarios and with different datasets. Below the explanation of both learning methods along with their different table is given.